everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today I am going to share with you another grocery haul. Alright, so all of y'all who are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for clicking to watch this video, and everybody that's not new, welcome back. So I hope you guys are ready for another grocery haul. Today I just got back, got off work, went to pick up my groceries and came home, set them up. Now I'm doing this video. It is another Walmart grocery pickup. I am enjoying them because it does take a couple of hours off of my whole grocery shopping routine, which I do enjoy the time savings. But anyways, I think that the items here are gonna last us for about a week or so, maybe 2 weeks, I'm not sure. A lot of my dinner ideas are tending to last a little bit longer than what I'm normally planning them for. Okay, so I don't have my list in front of me. I might can get it though, or can I? I might can get it. But as I run through the items, I'm gonna try and share with you my intention for those as far as like recipes and things like that. So the question for these grocery haul videos is going to be, what is something that I got that you also buy? And maybe a second question is going to be, what is something that I got that you want to now get? So I guess at the end, hopefully I remember to ask that question. If not, maybe I can cut this clip and say, alright guys, so what is something that I got that you now want to get? Leave me a comment in the box down below. Alright, so without further ado, let's show you what I got for my groceries. Okay, so here are all of the items that I got for today, and hopefully this isn't too shaky. Alright, so I did pick up like 3 cases of water for home and for work. And I got some supplies, which I categorize supplies as not groceries. So I do wear contact lenses, so I really like the Clear Care to clean my lenses, and then this for like the wetting solution. I did have a few substitutions today, so this Pine Sol is one of them. I really do like the original scent. This one smelled okay, so I'm gonna try it out just to see, but normally I like original scents. Clorox cleaner, and then sandwich bags, some foil. I need to check because I thought I bought a big thing of foil, so I think those were substitutions. Freezer bags, I think those were substitutions as well, and then trash bags, those were not substitutions. Okay, so back here I have some burrito shells for if you want to do burritos, breakfast burritos, or just regular burritos. Crescent rolls for breakfast sandwiches. They once again did not have the circular ones. They only have these long ones. So that was a substitution as well. Chips. Those are the chips for the kids' snack. And then bananas. So I can have bananas for like a snack or something. Some limes. I think these are for some recipes. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, I got a couple limes because I don't need a lot. Some tortilla chips. I should have gotten 2 bags because there's nothing in there, it seems like. Alright, so I got some salsa to go with the chips, and this, they said this was a substitution because apparently I ordered 3 of them because this is two more. I didn't think I ordered 3 of them, so I'm gonna have to check to see that I ordered 3, but with pushing those numbers I could have. But anyways, that's the salsa, some ketchup, and then some dried basil I need for a recipe. Okay, that's clear now. Got some hamburger meat that's gonna be for burgers and tacos, more than likely. Got some avocados. I'm gonna be making a chicken salad. So the avocados and these grape tomatoes, and then these little mozzarella pearls are gonna go for that chicken salad. Got some hot dogs for the kids and some cheese. I forgot to get some bologna, but cheese for sandwiches. All right, so for snacks, they like these snack cakes, the zebra cakes, the fancy cakes, and then of course the strawberry shortcake. Lucky Charms cereal, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, and then Fruit Loops with marshmallows, of course. Some crescent rolls, some old-fashioned oats, some Sprite. This is gonna be for a drink, Thirsty Thursday drink. Can't remember if it's gonna be kid-friendly or not, because I'm gonna do some non-kid-friendly drinks too, or popsicles. Pineapple juice is for a drink as well. So some oil, that's gonna be for baking and frying. So I just went ahead and got a big old thing of it. Got some Wonder Bread and my 2 things of eggs. Also oranges for snacks. Got 3 things of that. Got some Baby Bell cheese. Oh, it's Toy Story. That's cute. And some sharp cheddar cheese. Got some regular tomatoes for regular salad and then also sandwiches. Got some cranberry juice cocktail, and that's gonna be for some drinks, and then also, you know, just for the kids to have. Pork and beans. So this is my reminder to tell you, or to remind you, to check your sizes, because I did not check that this was a little bitty can of beans. So that's not really gonna do much of anything. Sweetened condensed milk. I'm gonna be making something with that. I can't even remember. Some parsley. We needed some more parsley. Oh, and I've totally missed the salmon. So that was a substitution. We normally don't get this brand, but that was a substitution. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. So maybe we have another brand that we could get if we like it. If not, then I ain't never getting it again. But that's what that was. Butter, unsalted butter, of course. Strawberries for breakfast and snack. Got sour cream. Also got pepperoni for pizzas and snack. The kids like this maple flavored pork sausage patties for sandwiches, breakfast sandwiches, and chicken strips. They like to eat that as well for like lunches. So of course we need some more sugar, and you know I got to get the 10-pound bag. The little bag of sugar it doesn't last much of any time. Bree needed some more milk, so we got some very vanilla. And for the chicken salad, the balsamic vinegar is for that. These lemons were another substitution. I ordered Meyer, but I guess they didn't have any more Meyer lemons, so they gave me this bag of organic. So that's what that is. Got some orange juice. That's also for a drink. Got some apples so the kids can have. And then also lettuce. So I got some regular iceberg lettuce. Got spinach. And these are items for salads. And then I got some romaine. This is mainly for the chicken salad specifically. Gain. The kids love this apple mango tango. So got a big old thing of that. And then got some grenadine. I really don't know what this is, but it's for a drink recipe that I'm gonna do, and I've been seeing it often, so I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and get it. So I got some grenadine, got some mixed fruit for smoothies, pineapple, strawberry, peach, and mango. Got some chicken breast for the chicken salad, some brown sugar for baking, of course, some rice because we're gonna have some fish cakes and rice, and then a box of white cake mix for a cake recipe, some applesauce for the kids for snack or something, taco kit. I like to get the hard and soft so we have both options, and then of course our oodles and noodles. All right guys, so that is it for our grocery haul. I think I was just around $280, I want to say. So that is it for this grocery haul. Okay guys, so that was it for the grocery haul for today. Once again, I went to Walmart. I used the Walmart grocery app to do my groceries, and that was everything that I got. So don't forget to leave your comments down in the box below of what's something that I got that is something that you also get, or what is something that I got that has inspired you to now pick up on your next trip to the grocery store? Let me know down in the box. If you are new, once again, thank you and welcome, and go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you can see more videos when I put them up. And also don't forget to push the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload brand new videos. Alright, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye now.